program. I'm here in front of you to share my journey with Galileo. It has been 6 years and I can definitely say that Galileo has helped me in ensuring my good academic standing, as well as my self-confidence, develop my focus, and perseverance to do well in my school tasks. At the same time, Galileo instilled in me the value of learning. That learning is important, but it can be enjoyable. To my fellow students, I encourage you to continue doing your worksheets. The few minutes a day that we devote to our worksheets is tantamount to a lifetime of knowledge and good learning habits. Do not give up, even if some worksheets seem so hard. Do not be afraid to ask questions from your teachers because they are really there to help us. In order to see those happy smiles from our parents' lips, we should study very well to give them the best. Thank you so much, and I hope I was able to inspire you, my dear fellow students, in pursuing your journey with Galileo. And to our dear parents, we are congratulating you for the wonderful gift you are giving to us, the gift of learning.